42nd Street for his iPhone and ran off after one of them stabbed the teen in the neck. Anyone with information...
That's the view right now.
Stoppers, 1-800-577-TIPS.
I'm going to get you guys some video of some down trees and down branches. We're not sure if we're going to have to get off and get out and walk home.
And right here, coming up, you see a tree's already down right there. A great branch. Right there.
To collect a higher payout. City dippers downtown will have to take the plunge solo. The new museum.
We're not sure we're going to have electricity.
One person at a time to enter the giant bathtub that's part of an adult art exhibit there. That's because they don't have a permit.
Lights are out.
Roll right through this.
The New York Post says
Claudia's decided she's not stopping at any lights.
Exhibit, including a giant slide and a carousel, meet city
How are the kids doing?
Look, more down.
Kids are fine back there. Where's more? Oh, more branches. Look at this down tree over there.
Miles per hour. Accumulation, coating to an inch in the city and Long Island today, 3 to 6 inches around the I-287 corridor. You could get up to a